Hello, welcome to Marg ERP Solutions. In this tutorial video we will learning every step by step about how to set company-wise party discount in Marg software. So, how to set company-wise party discount in Marg software. In Marg ERP software, the user can set the company-wise discount for a particular party as per the requirement like 5%, 10% etc. In order to set company-wise party discount, the user needs to follow the below steps. Go to Masters, then go to Rate Discount Master, then go to Company Special, and then go to Company-wise Party Discount. A Select Company window will be appear, press Enter, on selected company. Ledgers window will be appear, select the party for which the company discount needs to be mentioned. Now select the ledger and define the discount, percent, as per the requirement. Now press ESC key to save the details. After following the above steps, software will automatically pick the discount for the selected items company. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. Check out our other videos, stay connected by following us on for updates, and remember, your comments and feedback are always appreciated. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and having fun. See you in the next video.